Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to create a validation rule, and the scenario is, suppose there is an approval process and the record is already approved. So after the record is approved, the user should not be able to change the price on the record. So let's get started. I have already logged into my Salesforce org and I have created two fields. One is approval status. This is the field and it's a pick list field. I'll just show you the values, what all values I have given. I have taken approved, pending and rejected. Three values I have given, but in my validation rule we will only use approved. Okay, then we have another field, price. This is a currency field and we will enter the value in this manually. So let's get started with our validation rule. Before starting our validation rule, I'll just go to my app, sales app, go to the account, open the account record, and here I will enter the value in price field. So this is our field. I will enter any price. Suppose I'll enter 300, and the approval status, for now I'm not entering any approval process. I'll just enter the price 300. Now I'll go to the setup, and if you don't know like how to go navigate to the setup, then this is the gear icon. If you click on setup, you will be navigated to it. So after we land on setup, I'll go to object manager and I'll go to account. Here I'll go to validation rules, and we already have two validation rule, so we'll create a new validation rule using a new button. So the scenario is that price cannot be changed because account is already approved. Okay, this is the error message which we can show. So the rule name we can give is price change validation rule. Then this is our box. Here we will insert, first we'll insert a function and function. After this we'll enter in the logic 1, we will enter our pick list value, because here as we already have seen that our approval status is a pick list value. So here we'll select pick list function is pick val. This is our function, just insert it. So for logic 1 we have our pick list. Here we will enter our pick list field. So to enter the field, we will click on this insert field button, and here we will have our approval status. We'll insert it, and text literal we will give as approved, which will be inside double quotes, approved. Okay, so far so good. Right now it's checking that if the pick list value is approved. Okay, and after this comma we have logical 2. In logical 2 we will give or. Once we insert it, then it also has two logics, like logical 1 and logical 2. So inside or we will check if our price is changed or not. So we have another function is changed. We will insert it for our logical 1, and in the field we will insert the price field. Insert. And for logical 2 we don't need any other operation to be performed, so we will just cancel it. This is the closing of or, and for and also we don't need anything else, so this is the closing of and. So I think this is clear so far. We'll check the syntax. Basically what we are doing is we are checking whether this is approved or not, and if this value is changed or not, and these two are inside and So both should be true. Then only a validation error will occur. So in the error message, we will show price cannot be changed because account is already approved. Okay, and here we can choose the error location, top of the page or field. We would like to show it on top of the page, so I'll just save it. And also we have to activate our validation rule. It's already activated, but if you deactivate it, it will not run. Now we'll go to our org and see the fields. So I'll just change the approval status to approved and save the record. Now I will try to change the price to 3000. I'll save it. So we will get this validation error. Price cannot be changed because account is already approved. Okay, but if we try to change any other field, it should allow us to change that field. So billing address, I'll write as Dehradun. It should allow us to save. So that's all for this video. If you like the video, please like it and comment if you want to see any other validation rule or any other scenario in Salesforce, whether it is in Apex, LWC or Visualforce pages. Let me know, and subscribe to the channel, comment down below. Thanks for watching.